So here first teacher says now. Now means what? This is one word which you know but you do not understand what it is. Anyone who does not meditate cannot understand this word. Now, you see, we use this word so often from morning till evening, but we don't understand what it is. Either my mind or your mind functions on the experiences of the past, or then on the basis of those experiences, imagines of the future. Either you brood on the past or you think of future. You do not know how to live here and now. So see, past and future. But where is now? Now is missing. If you learn to understand, train your mind to be here and now, you know everything. There is nothing for you to be known after that. So now is part of eternity. So your teacher teaches you, you first learn how to be here and now. For you have completed your preliminaries. The beginner's training you already had. Now, learn to understand the word now. How will you learn to understand word now? Now see your mind. A thought comes and another thought comes. It's not like the river. The bulk of water which has gone, another bulk of water comes. But there is no gap at all. It's not like that. Had it been like that with our mind and modifications or thinking or functionings, then we would certainly know the word now. Therefore, another meaning. Now, then, therefore, herewith. These are the meanings of the word now. You see. So the teacher is telling the students, now. Patanjali says now. Now is very important. This word has been used in all 6 systems of philosophy. Ati yoga anusasana matato brahma jigyasa tato dharma jigyasa. At word is used. Many commentators said it's mangalmaya, it's auspicious. I said it's stupid. You say, what do you mean by it's auspicious? I say it is auspicious. Do it. You see, your questioning mind will not understand. You might do it because your teacher is saying. So actually, whatever you have done so far, that is accepted. Anything on the path of enlightenment. But now, here begins the yoga exposition, expounding the yoga science, because that has not been done before. So far you have not learned it. See, the word science, we wrote 5,500 letters, to many scientific foundations in the country when I was in the Manager Foundation, to know the definition of yoga science. We never got any reply. What do you mean by science? In philosophy, the word truth, I am talking of modern philosophy, and in the world science, there is no definition on this. Our language is so shallow, words are so empty, and actually When the words themselves are dark, how can they give us light? So anything that you have read, your knowledge is based on the dark words, which is merely ignorance. That's what the monastic order says. You have to know something more. Whatever you have done, forget it. Neither we condemn nor we accept, but now here begins the exposition of yoga science.